celebrating 100 years of Le Creuset, the colorful legacy of French cookware. Imagine a kitchen filled with splashes of bold, rich hues, reds, yellows, blues, and greens, that turn cooking into a vibrant art. That's the magic of Le Creuset, a brand that's been transforming cookware into collectible treasures for nearly 100 years, with a splash of French flair. Among passionate fans, there's even a woman who took her obsession so far she built her entire home around one piece. A deep red, 9-quart oval Dutch oven she received as a wedding gift back in 2006. From that moment, her love for these colorful pots exploded into a full-blown collection, now filling her kitchen and inspiring her Instagram feed with endlessly creative arrangements. She's not alone, many collectors chase after the same bars of color, swapping and displaying their prized pieces like art. Just like luxury brands Hermes and Chanel, Le Creuset has become more than cookware. It's a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of craftsmanship, tradition, and, of course, eye-catching design. Originally born in 1925 from a Belgian pair's invention, coating cast iron with durable, vivid enamel, Le Creuset quickly captivated Europe with its vibrant palette and unbeatable performance in the kitchen. It didn't take long before the craze spread across the Atlantic, and today, it's a global powerhouse, especially in North America and Japan. The brand's secret: constant innovation, expanding from classic primary colors to pastel tones, neon accents, and even neutral shades, alongside a broad product lineup, from cookware to tableware to storage solutions. They've worked with famous artists, Marvel, Harry Potter, and Hello Kitty, making their products even more desirable. Special limited edition releases, like a black heart-shaped Dutch oven, sell out instantly, often appearing later on resale sites at sky-high prices. Le Creuset's latest innovation: the stunning flamme dorée, an allusion to its original fiery hue, but infused with a shimmering gold sparkle, reminiscent of luxe makeup, or a shot of Goldschlager. Its debut set social media buzzing, as fans speculated and eagerly awaited its availability. Before Le Creuset, cookware was mostly dull and monochrome, grey, black, brown, to blend into kitchens. But these bold, colorful pots changed everything. Thanks to the founders' pioneering technique of firing enamel onto cast iron, their pots became symbols of both durability and style. Over decades, their appeal only grew, turning humble kitchen tools into collectible art. Today, the brand boasts a vibrant palette, pastels, neon, rich jewel tones, and has expanded from basic pots to an entire universe of tableware, utensils, and decorative items, with 90 stores across the continent. Since being acquired in 1988 by South African entrepreneur Paul van Zuidam, Le Creuset has pushed even further, partnering with artists and pop culture brands, creating limited editions that keep collectors and fans eager for more. From a viral bread oven that turned the culinary world upside down in 2022 to pop-up factory sales with mystery boxes containing hundreds of dollars worth of exclusive gear, their influence is undeniable. A testament to the brand's allure. Even a simple Netflix feature about Duchess Meghan sparked conversations about how Le Creuset's pristine, expensive pots symbolize luxury and status, sometimes drawing criticism, highlighting how deeply these colorful pieces are woven into our cultural fabric. For dedicated collectors like Ms. Shazi Cameron from Atlanta, or Ms. Arlene Robillard, who owns over 1,000 pieces and treasures rare finds like a vintage toasted or grilled prototype, Le Creuset isn't just cookware. It's an obsession, a hobby, a celebration of color and history. As we mark 100 years of this colorful legacy, it's clear that Le Creuset has transformed from functional kitchenware into a timeless symbol of passion, craftsmanship, and the art of cooking, brightening kitchens and lives for generations.